I will be taking out Play-Doh colors. This one's not even opened. Green, pink, yellow, red, blue, white, orange, magenta. I think what it's called. I think it's magenta. I think this color is beige. More pink. Black. Now I will be playing and you guys see me make stuff. Let's make an ice cream sundae. I want to make a white ice cream sundae, red cherry, and we need a spoon for the ice cream sundae. Put the spoon in. Ah, it fell out. Okay. Take this white out. I got a little bit of white in my hands. I'm rolling it up. Boop. I put it in there. I got more. I'm going to put more of it in there. I'm just a little kid, so don't worry. I make shotgun reviews, but today I will make, yeah, there we go. Here we go. Now I can put it in. Put the spoon in. We always need a spoon to eat ice cream sundae. Maybe you don't eat ice cream sundae. I never eat ice cream sundae. My mom does not let me. I'll tell her soon, and she might let me or not. Get the red out to make the little cherry. Right here, so it's close to see. Good to see. Now, you guys, is it? Yes, good. Okay, let's take it out. Make a big ball, like the cherry doesn't have any stem. I put no stem on this cherry. Here, I have a pretzel. Put the white lid back on and the red lid. I will be making a pretzel now. I'll get my other set. I'll be right back. I went to my cabinet and I went to go get it. The Play-Doh I needed for the pretzel. Where'd that Play-Doh go? Play-Doh, I found it! We need more Play-Doh. Hi! I'm so silly. Soon I will make more reviews. For the next one I'll make another review. Okay? Sounds good? Yeah? Okay. Pretzel mold. My pretzel is done. Yummy pretzel! That's a good, delicious pretzel. gonna get a little plate and put the pretzel on that little plate. It's a delicious one. Now, making more things. I will say on my next video, I will do it on my next video because I'll be reviewing another Play-Doh set. That might be tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow. Get all that stuff out of there. Got all that green Play-Doh out of there. Green Play-Doh in here still. My little sister is playing with this. She likes this Play-Doh. She likes Play-Doh. She likes to play with it. She's only 3 years old. And she goes to a school next to our house. I don't know my number on for my stream. I'll try and get this out, you guys. I'm trying to get it out, you guys. I'll try on this side. It won't work. You guys. God, it's I'm 6 years old, you know. I'm not 5, I'm not 7. If you saw I was 7, that's close. If you thought I was 5, I was close too. It's in my ice cream sundae. Still more to get out. I need to get all of this out so it doesn't get mixed up with the other Play-Doh I put in there. So it doesn't get mixed up. I don't want my Play-Doh to get mixed up. Mixed up Play-Doh is bad. I don't like it being gray. That's why I don't let my sister play with a bunch of colors. I only let her play with one color. When we were putting Play-Doh away, she accidentally mixed it up. I was like, no! And then she just dropped it. We had to throw it. We had to throw that one in the garbage. This does not work at all. I'll get a new one, you guys. I'll be back. Okay, you guys are back. I have to take another bowl and put this yellow Play-Doh on there. All the green Play-Doh wouldn't come out at all. So we have to use the purple one. The purple one might be much better than the little one. You know. Get that off of the sides. Get it out. Don't worry about that. You think I have a cold right now? Do you? Do. Give me a thumbs up if you thought I had a cold right there. Some down. Comments below if you're sick. I almost said subs down if you are sick. Subs down if you don't feel very good and you're really sick and you have to stay in forever. Subs down because that's bad. So I'm gonna tell you guys the subs down. Subs up if you are a substitute if you're a substitute or a teacher in Quilceda Tulalip School. If you're a kid that goes to Quilceda Tulalip School, please comment below. My videos are the best videos ever. You always want to see my videos, you guys. They're the best. Okay, you guys, I got all the Play-Doh out of the yellow one. So stuck with yellow Play-Doh. I have it all set. Put this Play-Doh in there. Do you want to see what it makes? I'm going to use the yellow one. Get the whole can or box of yellow Play-Doh. I got it all out. I don't want to use too much on the rips them off. Okay. I got it. If you're a third grader or a fourth grader in Quilceda Tulalip School, comments down below. Say. Type in, I am in Quilceda Tulalip School, and I am a first grader, second grader, or third grader, or fourth grader, or fifth grader. Tell me. Just tell me. Comments down below. My mom is here too. Bye bye everyone. I'll see you later.